Carly's gonna take a pill.
Some Xanax and Valium.
Do you even know which one is which?
No, I don't.
Go for it. Are you taking all of them?
Go big or go home. Shit, will come out the bag.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Does your stomach hurt?
Everything hurts.
Yeah, you definitely dosed yourself up on that one. Just take a couple deep breaths. Hey, hey, hey. Carly. Carly. Carly.